Description: build your look with this flexible styler that's pliable enough to shape and shift hair without flaking or leaving behind residue. Benefits: vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: activate by vigorously working paste into hands, then distribute through damp or dry hair. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite hair product. I am a female with very fine, thin hair. A tiny bit of this seems to double my hair volume and keeps it in place without a ton of hairspray. Not sticky. I don't like the feeling of sticky hair gel. Mix a pea-sized drop of this with a little water, or apply in wet hair and you're good to go.